In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you download videos from x.com, formerly Twitter, and I'll show you the exact steps to check whether a download option is available. If you've ever wanted to save a video from X to your device but weren't sure if it was possible, this guide will clear things up fast. And if you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, here's the important part you need to know. Directly downloading videos from X may require a premium account, and if you do not have access to the download feature, you may not be able to download the video at all. So the first thing to do is open X on your web browser on a PC. Using the desktop version makes it easier to check the post and see whether the download option is available. Once X is open, go to the post that contains the video you want to save. Make sure you're on the correct post, because the download option only appears for videos where the creator has allowed downloads. If the creator has not enabled downloads, you will not see the option even if the video is visible and playable. Next, look for the share icon on the post. This is usually the menu you tap or click to access additional actions. When you open the share menu, check carefully for a download video option. If you see it, that means the creator has allowed the video to be downloaded directly from X. If the download video option is available, simply click or tap it to save the video to your device. After that, the file should begin downloading automatically and you can find it in your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. That is the official method and the simplest way to do it when the option is present. If you do not see the download video option, then the video cannot be downloaded directly from X using the built-in feature. In that case, it usually means one of two things. Either your account does not have access to the feature or the creator has not enabled downloads for that post. So the key is to check for the option first before expecting the download to work. To summarize the process, open X on PC, open the video post, tap or click share, look for download video, and if it appears, tap it to save the video. That is the full workflow for checking whether you can download videos from x.com. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.